Dear students, welcome back. So I am here with one more problem on royalties, that is illustration number 7. Messrs. Gautam and company took a lease from a landlord for a period of 10 years from 1st April 2015 on a royalty of rupees 5 per ton of coal raised with a deed rent of rupees 20,000 and power to recoup short working during the first 4 years of the lease. The annual output was as follows. So here, the Gautam and Company took a lease from a landlord for a period of 10 years. So that begins from 1st April 2015. So it is an agreement on a royalty basis of rupees 5 per ton of coal raised. So it is a deed rent. Deed rent is nothing but a minimum rent of rupees 20,000 and power to recoup any short working during the first 4 years. Within first 4 years, if there is any short working, that has to be recovered. So the annual output was as follows. So that is in the year 2015-16 2000 output, that is in tons. 16-17 3000 tons, 17-18 4000 tons, 18-19 4500 tons, and in the year 1920 5000 tons was the coal raised. Prepare a minimum rent account, a royalty account, a short working account, landlord account in the books of Gautam and Company. So this is the problem. So we have to find the solution for the same. So before going all the solution part, that is ledger account part, that is minimum rent account, short working account and all, we are supposed to prepare an analytical table, so which gives us a complete information, a complete solution where we can directly post the amount to the respective ledger account. So open an analytical table with 10 columns. So here output, royalty rate, royalty payable, minimum rent, short working, surplus, short working recovered, short working not recovered, and amount payable. So in the year 2015, the output was 2000 tons of coal. So royalty rate was rupees 5. So 2000 into 5 rupees, that amount comes to 2000 into 5, the amount comes to 10,000 rupees. Minimum rent was 20,000 rupees. So royalty payable was 10,000, minimum rent was 20,000. So short working was 10,000 rupees because minimum rent is greater here and royalty payable is lesser. So in such a case, there is a shortage of 10,000. So short working 10,000, surplus nil, short working recovered nil, short working not recovered nil, and amount payable 20,000 rupees. In the year 2016, 3,000 tons has been produced. So 3,000 into 5 rupees, 15,000 rupees. So again, minimum rent is 20,000. So minimum rent is the higher side. So 20,000 minus 15,000. Short working is 5,000 rupees. So surplus, there is no surplus nil. Short working recovered no. Short working not recovered nil. So amount payable 20,000 in the year 2016 also. So further, 2017, there was a production output of 4,000 tons of coal at the rate of 5. 4,000 into 5, 20,000 rupees is the royalty payable and minimum rent also 20,000. So there is no short working, there is no surplus because it is the royalty payable exactly equals to minimum rent and minimum rent is exactly equals to royalty payable. So there is no short working nil, Surplus, no surplus, short working recovered, no short working not recovered, nil, amount payable 20,000 in the year 2017. So now 2018, 4,500 units has been produced. So 4,500 tons of coal at the rate of 5 rupees, 4,500 into 5, that comes to 22,500 rupees. Minimum rent 20,000. So there is no short working, but surplus is there because here royalty payable is greater, minimum rent is lesser. So how much is the greater part? 2,500. So go to the surplus column and enter 2,500 rupees. So short working recovered 2,500. So now here in the problem they have clearly said that any short working that has to be recovered within the first 4 years. So now I am entering the 4th year transaction. So at the 4th year I have to show the short working recovered and not recovered. So what is the short working in the year 2015? 10,000 rupees. What is the short working in the year 2016? 5,000 rupees. So put together 15,000 short working. So here I could able to recover only 2,500. So short working recovered 2,500. Out of 15,000 we could able to recover for 2,500. So balance is 15,000 minus 2,500. Short working not recovered is 12,500 and amount payable column 20,000 rupees. Next 2019, 5,000 tons of coal has been raised in the year 2019. 5,000 at the rate of 5 rupees. 25,000 is the royalty payable. 25,000 is the royalty payable, but minimum rent was 20,000. So here the royalty payable column is the greater one. So there is no any short working. Surplus is there 5,000. Short working recovered nil. Short working not recovered nil. Amount payable 25,000 rupees. So this is the analytical table. So from now we are going to directly transfer the amount to the respective accounts. So let us open a minimum rent rupees. Minimum rent account. So in the year 2015 on the debit side, to landlord account 20,000. 2015 credit side, out of this 20,000 minimum rent paid to the landlord account, royalty generated 10,000 rupees. So we could be able to generate out of royalty 10,000 rupees. By short working there was a shortage of 10,000 rupees. So now add both the side 20,000 and 20,000. In the year 2016, to landlord account 20,000 rupees again. Now credit side 2016 by royalty account. How much we could generate out of royalty in the year 2016? 15,000 rupees. By short working account was 5,000 rupees because there was a shortage of 5,000. So 20,000 and 20,000 both the side total. So that is in the year 2017, to landlord account 20,000, 2017 by royalty account 20,000. In the year 2017 we could able to produce the minimum rent, the amount which we could exactly, our production was exactly equals to minimum rent. In the year 2018, to landlord account 20,000, by royalty account 20,000. Actually that year in the year 2018 our production value was 22,500. Royalty value was 22,500. Out of that 2,500 rupees has been adjusted towards short working recovered. So balance left out 20,000 that has to be transferred to minimum rent account. So that is a royalty account. So 2019, to landlord account 25,000, by royalty account 25,000. Exactly what was the production that has been transferred, what was the amount generated out of royalty payable that has been transferred directly to the minimum rent account. So by royalty account was 25,000, both the side total 25,000 and 25,000. So here we are done with the minimum rent account. So next, to open royalty account. So royalty account again with the 6th column, that is date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. So in the year 2015, to minimum rent account, 10,000 rupees only we could able to generate. So to minimum rent account 10,000, by P&L account 10,000 rupees. Both the side total 10,000 and 10,000. In the year 2016, to minimum rent account 15,000 rupees we could able to generate. So 15,000, 2016, by P&L account 15,000 rupees. In the year 2017, to minimum rent account 20,000, 2017, by P&L account 20,000, both the side total 20,000 and 20,000. In the year 2018, I said we could able to produce 22,500 worth of coal, but 2,500 was adjusted towards short working. That is, we are showing here, to minimum rent account 2018, 20,000 rupees, to short working account 2,500. So 2018, in the credit side, by P&L account 22,500, both the side total 22,500 and 22,500. Next, in the year 2019, to minimum rent account 25,000, because we could produce 25,000 in that year, that is 5,000 coal has been raised at the rate of 5 rupees, 25,000. Credit side 2019, by P&L account 25,000, both the side total 25,000 and 25,000 rupees. So we are done with the royalty account. So next we are further moving to short working account. So let us open a short working account with the 6th column table, date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. So in the year 2015, to minimum rent account, first year short working, how much? 10,000 rupees. Clear? So 2015 credit side, by balance carried down 10,000 rupees. Both the side total 10,000, 10,000. In the year 2016, to balance brought down. So I'm bringing down the 10,000 of 2015. So balance brought down 10,000. To minimum rent account, that year shortage 5,000. 2016 there was a shortage of 5,000. Total both the side 15,000, 15,000. Next, in the year 2017, to balance brought down 15,000. 2017 credit side, by balance carried down 15,000, because there was no any short working in that year. 2018, to balance brought down 15,000. 2018 by royalty account. So we could able to recover only 2,500 that has been transferred to royalty account. By balance carried down 12,500 rupees. Now total both the side 15,000 and 15,000. Since in 2019 there was no any short working or short working recovered, so we are not showing that year entry in the short working account. So next we are moving further towards a landlord account. So landlord account, open a table with 6 column, date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. So in the year 2015, to bank account 20,000 rupees. 2015 by minimum rent account 20,000 rupees, because we could able to receive a minimum rent that year because royalty was less than the minimum rent. 2016, to bank account 20,000. 2016 buy minimum rent account 20,000, because in this year also the production was less, so that is why minimum rent we have received. So 20,000, 20,000, total it 20,000, 20,000 in the year 2017. To bank account 20,000, buy royalty account 20,000, because our output exactly equals to minimum rent, so that is why buy royalty account 20,000, total both the side 20,000 and 20,000. 2018 year, to bank account 20,000, 2018 buy royalty account 20,000, because royalty payable amount column in the analytical table is greater than the minimum rent, so we could able to meet the minimum rent. So 20,000, 20,000 both the side total. In the year 2019, to bank account 25,000, buy royalty account 25,000, because that year we could able to produce more than the minimum rent. So both the side amount column 25,000, 25,000, since there was no any adjustment which is related to short working recovery. So we are done with the landlord account. So next we are opening Gautam and Company account. We are opening Gautam and Company account with 6 column table, date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. I always say this account is exactly opposite of landlord account. What all you have debited, credit all those things. What all you have credited, debit all those things. Clear? So 2015 to minimum rent account 20,000. 2015 buy bank account 20,000, both the side total 20,000 and 20,000. 2016 to minimum rent account 20,000. 2016 buy bank account 20,000, both the side total 20,000 and 20,000. In the year 2017 to royalty account 20,000, buy bank account 20,000, total 20,000 and 20,000. 2018 to royalty account 20,000, buy bank account 20,000, both the side total 20,000 and 20,000. 2019 to royalty account 25,000, 2019 buy bank account 25,000, both the side total 25,000 and 25,000. So here we are done with illustration number 7 under accounting for royalties. So I'll come up with one more illustration very shortly. Until then, stay tuned, watch video. If you have any doubt, to reach me out through WhatsApp or call or message or comment. So I'll see you with the next illustration. Until then, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.